What a view.
Fantastic.
Well, the combined programs of Scripps Green Hospital and Scripps Memorial Hospital La Jolla have been ranked #1 in the San Diego region for the second year in a row by U.S. News.
Just fantastic. The hospitals are also among the best in the nation in 7 specialties. Scripps Health CEO Chris Van Gorder is here, and he's going to talk a little bit more about this. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic news.
Yeah, it is.
Tell us what it is about the hospitals that make them so popular and rank so high in this report.
You know, I think we have some of the greatest doctors and staff, I think, anywhere in healthcare. And you know, I've been there almost 19 years now. And ever since I arrived, and I know well before I got there, our staff really work on making sure that we deliver the highest quality of care. And so in this survey, there were over, I think, 4,600 hospitals evaluated. I think there's only 3% of the hospitals in the country that were ranked in one category. We were ranked in 7 out of the 12. And all 16 that they ranked completely, we were all high performing. There's only 29 hospitals in the country that did that.
Wow, you must be very proud.
I am.
Why are these rankings so important? And really, what is the bottom line when it comes to patient care? Why should patients, what makes the difference for the patients?
Well, I think a lot of patients do use survey instruments to decide where they want to get their care because they obviously want to get their care with really good organizations. Sometimes the best if they can get them. And U.S. News and World Report is probably one of the most prestigious ones out there. There are plenty of surveys, and we participate in all of them, but U.S. News and World Report is looked at by a lot of organizations. Rady Children's, in a recent survey, were ranked very high for pediatric care in this community. And I think it's important for patients to be able to research their providers, their hospitals, and their physicians.
Chris, they talk about 7 specialties your hospitals are known for. Heart care, I know, is one. Orthopedics, gynecology, diabetes, pulmonary specialties, gastroenterology. Talk a little bit about those and why you're doing such a good job in those areas.
Well, again, we have our board and our doctors, you know, we meet on a regular basis. In fact, the quality committee of our organization is probably the best attended by our chiefs of staff, our physician quality leaders and others, and we really work on making sure we're delivering high quality care. In terms of cardiology and cardiovascular care, we're the largest provider in our community. And we're now partnering in one area you'll notice that we weren't ranked was oncology. UCSD is ranked in that area, but we've partnered with MD Anderson, and as you probably read, MD Anderson is rated #1 again in the United States for oncology care. So we're going to be working with them over the next few years to make sure our cancer care is improved as well.
Yeah, you've been here almost 20 years, you say, and the quality of care, the expansion of healthcare services in San Diego has really just like proliferated. It's a whole different deal than it was longer ago.
And we're blessed in this community. We have great health care. The university, Sharp, Scripps, and other organizations, we are blessed with high quality care. There really is no reason to leave San Diego to get your health care.
There's not.
Chris Van Gorder, thanks so much for coming on and
you.
talking about Scripps Hospital. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
All right, so for 30 years now, a longtime